It's ISE 2026, and we're here speaking to Marc from Glensound. Another, hopefully a clean start this time.
Well, what other start would there be, Matt?
We know. We're going to talk about the Milan. Come on. I don't think I've spoken to you about Milan before.
No, these are our first two Milan products.
Yep.
So we've been wanting to get involved with AVB Milan for some time. As a manufacturer, rather than develop ourselves, we like working with the partners and integrate modules. So we've been waiting for the right Milan modules, which we have now. So we've launched with two products as a start of what will hopefully be an extending range using AVB Milan. So these are very simple boxes. They're Milan compliant. We have 4 inputs on the AoIP 2044i Milan.
Yep.
And the AoIP 4.0 Milan is 4 outputs. So 2 boxes, 4 in, 4 out. Very simple as our sort of first tasters into Milan world. If our customers have not been aware of these before, they're single cable, PoE powered. They've got USB as backup power.
Yeah.
This format of case has proved very, very popular.
Absolutely, with tie-down holes.
They can be cable tied at the back of a rack. They can be screwed underneath or to the side. These bumpers can come off, and using the same screws, they can fit in rack panels. So they're very flexible units, very widely used in their other flavours, and we hope they're going to prove popular also in their Milan versions. The AoIP 4.0 Milan for the 4 outputs and the 4i for the 4 inputs.
First question, available now?
These are not available right now, but they're very close. Very close.
Yeah,
where are we now? We're just into February, aren't we? These will be available by the time we get to NAB.
Brilliant. And for more information, the website we send them to is?
Glensound.com. And because we didn't mention it last time, I will say Glensound.com
Again, mention it twice. For everything that we're doing at ISE 2026, it's kitplus.com.